Hey everyone, welcome back to Techonomical. If you have just bought a new iPhone or if you are using your old iPhone for a while, there's something you need to do absolutely right now. And trust me when I say this, it will protect your battery life and it will protect your privacy in ways that you never thought was possible. So let's get right into it. Now here's the thing, when you buy a new iPhone and set up the iPhone for first time, it's like the phone wants to know everything about you. It wants to know your location, your preferences, it collects your data and usage and even sells you personalized ads. And yeah, it can be too much sometimes. But here's the good news. You don't have to blindly accept everything. You can go ahead and take the charge and keep your phone under your control. I will tell you how to do that. Head to settings, then tap on privacy and security. Scroll all the way down, tap on analytics and improvement. You will see options like share iPhone analytics and improve Siri and dictation. Now here's the catch. If you leave these on, Apple will collect your data and then send all the data to Apple server and then it will serve you personalized ads. So if you keep these off, it will protect your privacy. Simple as that. So go ahead and toggle everything off. It's your data, keep it that way. Now let's talk about ads. You know the one I'm talking about. You search for something online and then you start seeing ads for the exact same thing everywhere. And I mean everywhere. But do you ever wonder how that happens? Well, you guessed it right. Apple is tracking your data and your user information and then selling all the details to advertisers. But here's the good news, you can stop it. For this, go to privacy setting, tap on Apple advertising. You will see an option called personalized ads. Then turn that off. And just like that, Apple won't use your browsing data to target ads to you. And let's be real, no one needs more ads, right? By turning this off, you are taking control of your data and this feels really good when you talk about something and then you suddenly do not see an ad about that, so that you have full control over what you speak and what you search. Third point is stop giving away your location. All right, let's talk about location services. When you set up your iPhone, every app in your phone is be like, hey, can I know your location? And honestly, it gets a little creepy when apps you don't even know require location. When you see your wallpaper app asking for your location, why would you need that, bro? And all these apps want to know where are you at all times. And that's a bit much, right? But here's the thing. You don't have to let them know your whereabouts 24/7. You can stop this right now with this one setting. For this, just go to setting, tap on privacy and security, and then hit location services. Now you'll see a list of all the apps and that have access to your location. Some apps you might want to leave it on for like maps or find my phone, but apps like Instagram, Facebook or Yelp, you don't really need them tracking you every single time you open them. Probably not. So go through this list and for apps that don't really need your location, set them to never or why using the app. And don't forget about significant locations at the bottom. Turn that off too. It tracks everywhere you go regularly, and honestly, you don't need that information floating around. And just like that, your iPhone will stop handing out your locations like it's a candy. Next up is protect your privacy while browsing. So here's something that might surprise you. So when you're browsing the web on Safari, there's a good chance that the websites are tracking your data and sharing the details with third party, and then you get bombarded with ads that are nearly specific to your search history. But here's the cool part, you don't have to let that happen either. If you're using Safari, head over to settings, then scroll down to Safari under privacy and security. Turn on prevent cross-site tracking and hide IP address. This will stop website from tracking your behavior across the web. Also enable fraudulent website warning to protect yourself from any shady sites trying to scam you. By doing this, you will be browsing the web with much higher level of privacy. No more creepy ads following you around. Next up is the background apps and mail settings. Now let's talk about battery life. I know your iPhone used to last you a whole day, but now it can nearly survive half a day without needing a charge. Then you start wondering what's draining all the battery. But here's the thing, there are some hidden settings that are the real culprit, and you need to turn them off right now. For this, let's go to background app refresh. This is where app updates their content in the background even when you're not using them. It's convenient, but it's also a huge strain on your battery. So go to settings, tap on general, and then go to background app refresh, set it to off for all apps. This stops them from constantly refreshing in the background and saving you some serious battery power. Next, let's talk about email. If you've got push turned on for your email accounts, your phone is constantly checking for new messages. This uses up a lot of battery over time. So head to settings, tap on mail, then accounts, and then turn off push. Change fetch new data to manual, and now your phone will only check emails for when you open the app, not all day long. And that's a wrap. Now you have taken control of your privacy and your battery life. Your iPhone will thank you for it. And honestly, some of the settings are a game changer that can save some serious battery life on your iPhone. If this video helped you out some way, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friend so that they can also protect their privacy and save battery life. If you've got any questions or tips of your own, you can post them into comment section. I will try to reply to them all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Jai Hind.